Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed Klaviyo form on Shopify. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Klaviyo, just click on the Get Started option, and from here all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so embedding Klaviyo form on Shopify website can offer several advantages for your email marketing efforts. Because number one, Klaviyo integrates smoothly with Shopify, allowing you to collect email addresses directly from your website and sync them with your Klaviyo account. Now, this seamless integration streamlines your email marketing process. And obviously, Klaviyo forms are highly customizable, enabling you to design them to match your website's branding and aesthetic seamlessly. You can create forms that blend seamless with your Shopify store, ensuring a cohesive user experience. There are multiple ways for you to embed Klaviyo forms on your Shopify, but if you're using your Shopify account and you're more comfortable with it, I need you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on Add Apps, and from here all you have to do is find more apps in the Shopify store if you haven't integrated both platforms yet. And from here all you have to do is go to the search bar and type in Klaviyo. Right here, as you can see, it's the suggestions already here. All I have to do right now is just click on the Klaviyo email marketing and SMS. It's a very straightforward process. It's free, and just click on the install. And as you can see, these are the pricing. It's free to install for the first month, and then that's going to be $15 thereafter. If you wanted to scale up for the email subscription with it, which is $30 a month, that's okay. And all you have to do from here is just click on install. And once you've done that, as you can see, this app needs to view personal data, view and edit store data, and a lot more. All right, and all I gotta do is click on install. As you can see, there's gonna be a pop-up menu about syncing your data between Klaviyo and Shopify, and all you have to do is just click on continue and you're good to go. Now, the next option that we are going to explore is using Zapier, because from here you can create integrations between Klaviyo and Shopify to automate any workflow and have all these endless possibilities, from new event to create a customer, from profile added to segment or list to API request beta. All you gotta do is click on the orange button here to connect these apps. Once you are here, all you have to do is just click on the title so you can customize it, and we are going to have a separate in-depth tutorial about Klaviyo to Shopify, but the summary is just click on the Klaviyo here and you need to choose an event. Say for example it triggers on a new event, optional filtering by metric. Click on it and just click on continue. Now from the Shopify, all you have to do is choose an event, maybe like create a new customer, and from here all you have to do is just continue, authenticate these apps, and let the Zapier do all the work for you. Okay, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.